Articles in English grammar. Today we are going to learn about articles in English grammar. Articles are very important because they come before nouns and tell us whether we are speaking about something in general or something specific. Let's understand them in detail. Articles are determiners used before nouns. They tell us whether we are talking about something specific or general. Types of articles. एक indefinite articles an. They refer to any one thing in general, not something specific. Rules for using a. Used before singular nouns beginning with a consonant sound. Examples: a book, a car, a dog. A university. University starts with your sound consonant sound. Rules for using an. Used before singular nouns beginning with a vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Examples: an apple, an elephant, an umbrella, an r, silent h, so vowel sound r. Common mistakes: wrong, a r correct, an r. Wrong, an university correct, a university. Though definite article the. It refers to a specific person, place, or thing. Uses of the. 1. When something is already known. I saw a dog yesterday. The dog was very friendly. 2. Unique things in the world. The sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. 3. Before superlatives. The best, the tallest, the most interesting. 4. Before names of rivers, seas, oceans, ranges, deserts, groups of islands. The Ganga, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas, the Sahara, the Andaman Islands. 5. Before holy books, newspapers, historical monuments. The Bible, the Quran, the Times of India, the Taj Mahal. 6. Before ordinal numbers. The first day, the second chapter. 7. With musical instruments. She plays the piano. He is learning the guitar. 8. Before countries with plural names or of phrases. The United States, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, the Republic of India. When not to use the. Before proper nouns, names of people, cities, countries unless plural or special. The Ramesh, wrong, Ramesh, correct. The India, wrong. India, correct. Before general things. The man is mortal, wrong, man is mortal, correct. So, students, remember this simple rule. Use and when we talk about something in general or for the first time, and use the when we are speaking about something specific or unique. Mastering articles will make your English grammar clear and correct.